The Honor Watch GS5 is a smartwatch with a 1.32 inches screen size. Thickness is 9.9 mm and weight is 26 grams, excluding the strap. It has a 495 mAh battery and boosts a 23-day ultra-long battery life, placing watch among the longest-lasting smartwatches in this segment. A design intended to improve comfort during all-day wear. The watch also introduces a cardiovascular risk assessment and provides early warnings when potential issues are detected. The Honor Watch GS5 supports standard health tracking features such as continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress monitoring. It is an upgraded version of the multi-channel sensor system used in previous GS models. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.